Welcome to this session. In this unit, we focus on Learning Outcome 1, understanding professionalism and the influence of professional values within education and training. We will explore how professionalism shapes the culture, expectations and practices of the education and training sector. The session also examines the concept of dual professionalism, highlighting how educators balance subject expertise with pedagogical responsibility. Through this, you will gain insight into how professional values guide decision-making, enhance teaching practice, and ultimately contribute to stronger learner outcomes. Professionalism in education involves behaviors, standards, and responsibilities. It extends beyond knowledge to include ethical conduct and accountability. Professionals foster safe, inclusive environments and engage in continuous development. Collaboration with colleagues and adherence to standards are key. This ensures a commitment to both learners and the profession. Professional values shape attitudes and behaviors in education. Integrity builds trust with learners and colleagues. Respect and inclusivity ensure all learners feel valued. Accountability and reflective practice drive continuous improvement. These values influence teaching, learner achievement, and public trust. Professional values guide teaching and assessment. Respect for diversity shapes lesson planning. Learner-centered practice adapts to individual needs. Integrity ensures fair assessment and feedback. Reflective practice promotes continuous improvement. Dual professionalism recognizes educators as subject specialists and teaching professionals. It requires up-to-date knowledge and strong pedagogical skills. For example, a health teacher must know sector practices and apply effective teaching strategies. This ensures learners receive credible knowledge and quality teaching. Dual professionalism enhances educational experiences. Continuous development is essential for educators. It involves self-evaluation and improvement. Engaging with networks and training enhances skills. This keeps teaching methods current and relevant. Professional development benefits both learners and educators. In conclusion, professionalism and core values form an essential foundation within the education sector. They shape professional judgment, inform ethical decision-making, and help create inclusive learning environments where all learners are supported. Together, these principles strengthen the integrity of the profession and contribute directly to improved learner outcomes and overall success. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a WhatsApp message to 07484361688, and a member of our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you at the next session.